Is the Azalea the best sports cocktail out there? It's officially time for the 2026 Masters. This is the official drink of the Masters. We made it. I'm going to show you all the simple ingredients you need here. This is going to be a very short video, and then we're going to taste this and see how great it is. To start, grab your favorite Masters cup. This is my one from this year from the Taste of Masters kit. We're going to add in 1.5 ounces of vodka. We're going to add in 1 ounce of grenadine, and we're going to add in about 6 ounces here of lemonade. That's a little more than the official recipe, but it fills the cup better. Top it with an orange wedge. If you have a cherry, throw that in too, and you're good to go. All right, so now it's finally time to give this a taste. So far on this channel, I've only made one other sports-related cocktail. I'm going to change that this summer where I also make the Wimbledon drink, but the only other one I've made so far is the Honey Deuce from the US Open, and that is a very similar drink to this. It's really just changing out one ingredient. Chambord, this one instead, has grenadine syrup. Something I didn't really have in my liquor cabinet until now, but let's give this a taste. We'll give it a little squeeze of this orange first. We'll drop that in there. It's interesting. It is very good, but it is not as good as the Honey Deuce. This is absolutely not the best cocktail in sports as of right now. I have some high hope for this summer's Wimbledon drink, but Honey Deuce over the Azalea, which breaks my heart to say, any day of the week.